In the golden sands of the Arabian desert, an esteemed scholar embarked on a journey. His eyes were set on a distant city, renowned for its rich history and treasured manuscripts. Though the path was fraught with challenges, his heart was filled with faith. For it was Ramadan, the sacred month of fasting and spiritual renewal. The sun rose high, casting shadows that danced upon the dunes. Despite the thirst that parched his throat and the heat that scorched his skin, the scholar remained steadfast in his fast. He knew that bearing such hardships was a means to purify his soul and draw closer to Allah. As the day wore on, the scholar paused by a lone palm tree, its slender trunk offering scant shade. Here, he performed his salah, turning towards Makkah, feeling a serene connection to the thousands of believers, doing the same across vast lands. Resuming his journey, he clasped his prayer beads with weathered hands, reciting verses from the Qur'an. Each word was a balm, soothing his weary spirit. In the late afternoon, a caravan emerged on the horizon. The traders welcomed the scholar warmly, recognizing his status and offering him dates and water. These were gifts to break his fast as Maghrib approached. As they sat together, the scholars shared stories of the prophets, illuminating their path with tales of wisdom and compassion. The sun dipped below the horizon, and the scholar broke his fast with humility and gratitude. These moments, amid strangers turned companions, were blessings he cherished. They reminded him of the unity and generosity that Ramadan inspired. Continuing across the desert, the scholar's heart was light with the joy of peace and receiving. He found in the harsh landscape the beauty of faith and community. The moral of the story is that true strength and peace come from enduring challenges with faith and embracing the bonds of unity and generosity.